How to fix Roblox not launching. First of all, head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here search for the application Roblox and then head over to it. Tap on stories and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the stories of this application. So tap on clear cache and then clear stories. Click on OK. Clearing the cache and the stories will remove all the unwanted bugs from your application, and it will make your application run smoothly. But if this doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can do is go back and head over to Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for Roblox. Head over to this app. Right here instead of play, if you see the option of update, then your application has not been updated to the latest version. So all you gotta do is tap on update and update your application. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue that you have been facing. But if it still doesn't work, then in the next step what you can do is uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling your application will definitely fix your issue, and you'll be good to go. This is the end of the video, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Roblox not launching. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for staying with us till the end.